broken. Alright, so, oh, fucking smells like gear oil. That's my diff. That's gotta go in this car because I blew it the fuck up. It moves, but it's like, holy shit, I haven't been in this car in like over a month. So let's see if it fucking starts. Oh, what a champ. What a fucking champ. Wow. It makes some goofy fucking noises. I'm gonna let this thing warm up. Oh, shit. I don't know, I left it like that. Alright, so I gotta fucking, I gotta pick up fucking axle seals for this, because I'm not gonna use this fucking goofy ass axle seals. I might pick up the radiator and shit for that thing, and I gotta order a fucking alternator because I killed it in the fucking mud. And the timing belt, water pump, thermostat, all that. I gotta do that on that at some point. And this thing needs fucking tires so I can run fucking toge again, but you know, I'm broke as hell right now because all my shit's breaking, and I think I need an alternator for an alternator. Fucking distributor for my NX2000 because it's not getting spark and it's not getting fuel, but the fuel is ran off of an optical sensor that's in the distributor. So it's like the only thing that makes fucking sense to me. It would be, but you know, who am I? I'm a fucking dumbass kid with like 4 tools, so. My diff makes really fucking cool noises right now. Still make cool tunnel noises though.
What are you doing?
The fuck did you do?
You're taking so long. Alright.
It's not a photo.
Alright, you dickhead. You taking a video?
What'd you do?
Made it go drippy.
Did a 2-hour job turn into a day job?
Hell yeah.
This motherfucker decided to break shit on his $40 truck. Came to this fella's house to pick up some fucking race car parts. Look at that, we got 2 race cars next to each other.
These look so alike.
Yeah, look at that shit.
Couldn't tell them apart. Clearly.
The camera does your car good, huh? Look.
Well, you know, if you just edit away all like the clear coat shit.
Just fucking like airbrush the whole car. I guarantee you.
Airbrush?
Phil edits the whole car, edits the whole video. Phil just airbrushes like every imperfection out of your car.
So are we taking Hope You Make It There Alive, or
I don't want. Let's not die. Let's go over here. It's like a shitty game of fucking mousetrap. Preferably we'd be using grease, but you know.
Well, I gotta clean this off though. This is coated.
We went to AutoZone, we found the cheap fucking pre-made garbage and fucking made it work. Pre-cut garbage, and we made it fit. Hopefully I didn't fuck it up. I won't know because chances are I'll be gone by the time it fucking, you put brake fluid in.
That sounds fun.
Put a foot on the pedal. And he'll just text me like, David, you piece of fucking shit. Oh, his foam is gone.
The wind just...
This motherfucker's cleaning his hands with brake clean.
Go.
You're so smart.
It has a cooling sensation too.
Oh, I bet it does. Oh, battery's low. Who needs battery? Where's the hole? What are we welding?
Well, we're not welding anything right now, but this little guy here
What, is that a gasket that you're pulling back?
used to be.
Oh my god.
But yeah, gotta fill this in, so then you can go in and open that up to match this turbo manifold.
Oh, that's a turbo
It's a
manifold?
turbo manifold. I gotta match it to the NA.
Did you buy it?
intake. Yes.
Huh. Where'd they find
did.
it? The bottom of the ocean?
Something like that.
Oh my god, Phil.
What the fuck?
This
So yeah, we got that. We got a whole bunch of other fun stuff we're gonna be cleaning.
this thing I'm just gonna fucking push outside, light on fire. Basically right now, crank no spark, no injection pulse. So this thing's kind of a fucking nightmare, and I just want to burn it all and fucking throw it into a fucking ball of fire and give up. But we're not gonna do that because I am about $2,000 in total into this car with everything. Probably more now that I think about it. Definitely more. I think the head to get it rebuilt was $750 to get new valves and reseated and fucking decked and clean and everything. Ugh. And I put a lot of time into this car. I just want it to run. That would be so nice if I had this car running. I don't even think about it anymore. I'm just like, I'll never get to drive this car. And I'm getting to that point. Maybe I will get to drive it. I don't fucking know. Oh well. We'll fucking let's see if it'll run today. It's getting power to the. If I can solve one thing today, that would be fantastic. It's one thing closer. This igniter is giving power to here, but there is still no spark. This cap is fucked. This is a new distributor. This cap is fucked. That might solve the spark issue, but the injection pulses ran off an optical sensor inside this distributor. So I replaced the distributor and it didn't do anything. I don't know. We'll see. We'll probably just crank, and then I'll dig around some more wires. I'll probably tear the interior apart, find the ECU, see if I can find anything, follow the whole harness, see what I can do. I don't know. It's kind of a fucking nightmare. Look at this fella. What do we got here?
It's a housing for a NA
Rotor.
S413B. Got
Oh,
this
wow.
nasty guy.
What is that?
Yeah, I gotta get her
Can you
cleaned
take
up.
that out? Whatever the fuck that is?
Yeah, take that out. Put in a new sleeve. Make smoother air for more turbo.
Whoa.
And gotta clean all this rust out of these passages too.
No way that was in there. What is that? A coolant passage?
Yeah.
Ew.
Yeah.
That's fucking disgusting. What else do we got? Ooh, what the fuck is that
Oh, that's
creature?
the front cover.
Oil pump.
Yeah, oil pump. Like, it's right around here somewhere, but it's like on the...
What the hell is this?
That's the drive gear for the oil meter and pump that pumps oil into the combustion chambers. It keeps everything lubricated.
It's pretty silly.
Yeah, probably deleted just premix, my guess. Keep everything spinning.
Really? Wait, why would you delete that though?
Cause why not?
What do you benefit from that?
Clean your engine bay. Mostly.
Hmm.
I'm sure people have other reasons. That's
Oh, but is it just a common thing to do?
yeah.
Okay, well,
Yeah, it's a common thing to do.
that's scary.
It's not bad.
For me, it's just like, that lubricate the engine. That lubricate the wheel.
Left most of my engine parts at home. They're already cleaned up.
So you're going for 200 horsepower? Only kidding, Phil. 200 foot-pounds of torque. Okay. Back to working.
Back to work.
I have a new cap and rotor for this. It's probably not gonna do shit, but oh well. Alright. What do we got going on here, Phil?
Got a rotor.
What is this?
That's 1/3 of an apex seal.
1/3.
An OEM apex seal. 3-parter.
So, when you buy your $400 RX-8 and think it's a fucking deal. This is what's going bad. That one's all carbonated.
Yeah.
I think you didn't. I think you were a little light on the gas. I think that was the problem.
Probably.
You're
Definitely.
You
Drive like a grandpa.
You should have beat the shit out of it, and then it wouldn't look like this in here.
If I beat the shit out of it, then I would have blew the trains.
Oh, well, who cares about that?
But that's okay, because now I got a Turbo 2 trains, which is a hell of a lot better.
FC stuff. FC stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, so I got to get this, gotta get it cleaned up, gotta get it balanced.
You get them. What the fuck?
Yeah, you gotta balance the rotate. Well, you don't have to, but it's recommended, highly recommended. And plus, if I do, that means more potential RPM.
But like, this rotates, but how does this connect to the next thing that turns the engine? Or turns...
You have the eccentric shaft that goes through the block, and it kind of...
Oh, okay, yeah, I'm dumb. And that, it like acts as like, it goes up and down with the... It goes... Okay, I understand.
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
yeah. Okay. That's why they're higher RPM, because they spin a lot faster. The shaft has to spin like... Yeah, I get it. Yeah, cool. Rotors.
Yeah, but this bearing is not long for this world, so
Oh,
I'm
it
gonna
was
have
bad?
to replace it. Look at it.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can feel scoring.
Yeah, good thing I tore it down when I did. And hopefully 350 horse. We'll see. We'll see.
With that Dorito.
This very Dorito right here.
It's a stinky ass Dorito you got there.
Yeah. Probably gonna reuse these two.
Really?
Yeah, just gotta clean them up. I don't feel like shelling out the money for studs. I probably should. But I think between
350 horse, 11 foot-pounds of
Well,
torque.
I have an oil pan brace.
Uh-huh.
I have one-piece dowels instead of the regular two-piece ones you get in the stock motor. Hopefully between the two of those, that should give it enough should make it less twisty. And then less twisty equals less problems.
Legitimately can't figure out what's wrong with it. I know what's wrong with it. It's got a weak spark and no injector pulse. It probably has a spark. I'm probably just shit at testing it, but it's definitely got no fucking injector pulse. I've been told that this runs off of injector pulse is controlled by negative side to the ECU. Yeah, whatever. Fucking, I'm gonna see if it has constant 12 volts supposedly. So I'm just gonna fucking cry, and that's all that's gonna happen. I'm gonna put this thing back together and bring it to my dealership that I work at, so I can fucking get somebody with a brain on this thing. Not my brainless ass. Just fucking throwing shit places.